and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Christina. In this video I'm going to show you how to do I stitch the double crochet treble crochet increase, which is written as DC/TR increase. This is one of the stitches I created when writing my Sea Breeze patterns to be able to make my waves work. So I thought I would show you. First I'm going to work in the back post, and I'm going to do a double crochet, and then I'm going to do the treble crochet in that same stitch, and I'm working still in that same back post and going under the stitch I just made. Whoops, sorry. Let's see, under that. And it kind of, since it's in the back post, it ends up making an X since you're going under the other stitch. Now I'm going to do it again, but this time in both loops. So I'm just going to work a double crochet first, and then a treble in that same stitch. And so it's really as easy as that. It may exist as something else, but I could not find anything like it. So I thought I would share it with you. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.